welcome to today's video. And the first thing on my to-do list is to sort out some wheels and tires. So I'm gonna load up with what I have at home. Then we're gonna go to Yoshio factory, gonna install some of my favorite tires, the Valino Grievers, get everything ready because tomorrow where we're driving, I don't wanna go there and miss out on any seat time. So we're gonna make sure we got ourselves a full rear seat full of some rubber to burn and I don't know, maybe do some other drift prep stuff. But anyways, today's gonna be a great day. Let's get to it. So we're not too far away from Yoshio factory, probably about 5 minutes. We're already in Yoshio. I've explained this a few times actually, but where Yoshio factory is, it's actually in kind of like the town of Yoshio within Saitama. So Japan's a little bit weird, but you've got like cities and suburbs, I guess, here, and your city would be Saitama, and your suburb would kind of be Yoshio, if that's the best way to explain it. So a lot of people always message me when they visit. They were like so surprised that Yoshio factory actually resides within Yoshio. It's kind of funny. Anyways, I figured I'd take this moment to just quickly remind all of you guys, if you want to have a crack at creating a new outro video for the channel, I'm loving some of the ones that you guys have submitted already in the Discord. There's a link in the description. Join the Discord and go to the channel outro comp. All the rules and regulations and everything are there. And go have some fun, get some sick recognition. When I pick the winner, we're gonna go through and watch all of them in a video or a live stream. And don't worry guys, credit will be given to everyone. I wanna make sure that, you know, all the creative people out there that give this a crack, get a shout out and get some recognition for their work. Thanks, Google. But yeah, anyways, that aside, if you want to create an outro for the channel, definitely go do it. I love it. Seriously, it's so good to see what you guys come up with. Anyways, we're nearly there. Once we get there, we'll start doing the drift prep stuff. Go see how Oka-chan is and what's happening at the workshop. Although I'm sure, actually, that Stagia could be running by now if the clutch arrived for it. That'd be kind of cool. Go for a ride in that. Anyways, let's get to the Yoshio and go from there. Yuta, osashiburi. So we've obviously made it to Yoshio factory. Oka-chan's out right now doing some tunes, but I'm gonna get straight into changing tires. Got to do the ones on the gold set in there and the black set here. As you guys know, these are slicks and these just are not good for drifting in. Although I do kind of like that fitment there. It's kind of nice, isn't it? Jeez. Oh, that's just because, is that because of the driveway? Yes. That is totally because of the driveway. Look at the big slant here. I was so confused there for a second. All right, let's get this done. Time for the first start of the Stagia now that it's got a new heart. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes well. Well, that sounds better. So what we've got to do is crank this thing as much as we can, build up oil pressure, then we plug the cam angle sensor back in and we're good. Any moment now. Here we go. All right, now we should get fuel and spark. Ooh. There it goes. Oh, those lifters, man. There it goes. Hell yeah. See, look at it dosing already. Listen to this thing idling right now, butter smooth. It's only been running for a few minutes. Got some fresh rubber on the back now, and we got another set in here, and I do have a half-used set at home. So we should be good for tomorrow's activities. Unfortunately, Oka-chan had run out of all the Valino Grievers that I normally would use. So I went from the old tire I used to use, which is like a cheap China Skyline. And these aren't that bad, but you need to air them down a lot so that they don't delaminate and stuff like that. And they definitely don't last as long as Valinos and have the same grip, but they will do, especially considering I literally had no time to order and didn't know I was drifting till this morning. So these things happen from time to time, you know? Sometimes you have to sacrifice the best for what you can get in the moment. So we're gonna head home now and fight with peak hour traffic. I'm trying to meet up with my Yumi and get a haircut, do a bit of a date thing tonight. So hopefully things go well. Oh, look at this. In Japan, everyone just practices tennis against like random walls and stuff at their company. Oh boy, this traffic does not look good. Yikes. We are now onto our side quest. Dinner with the wife. Otsukare-sama! Kanpai! Yes.
4-day weekend.
Yeah, 4-day weekend, baby. Next 2 days of public holidays. So tomorrow's trip, we might be doing.
Time.
You're getting seat time. So one of those set of tires is for May. Ooh, I hope you guys are excited. No, it's this, right? So we are back home now, lads, and I have to get everything ready. Take all my tools and stuff out of the S15, move them into the Skyline, pack up the car, and get everything ready. We're going to be driving for about 4 hours tomorrow. We're leaving at 4:30 in the morning. We've got a lot of stuff to get done. Trying to organize everything the best I can. But I'm so excited. This is going to be so good. I'm so glad, like the holidays, the public holidays here in Japan, were actually initially for the Olympics. But as you guys know, with COVID and everything that's been going on, the Olympics has been pushed back till next year. But we still get our public holidays, and we're going to get another set of public holidays next year. So that means May gets work off. And we get to have a 4-day weekend. Yes. I got the car completely packed and ready to go tomorrow morning. It is currently 11 p.m. and I still need to finish editing, get at least 4 hours of sleep so that when we get up, I'm not a complete zombie. So, for the rest of this video, I kind of want to do a little bit of mail time. I don't have a whole bunch here because I still need to go pick up a whole bunch that's still at the P.O. box, but what I do have is some really cool stuff. Some things that actually got sent to me either before or during that I was stuck in the US. And one of them is this huge package here from Aaron's Speed Shop, which I'm actually really pumped about. So he gave us a couple of his stickers, Aaron's Speed Shop here. So maybe jump on Google and see if you can check him out. Now, I believe he did have a letter included with this initially, but unfortunately I've lost it. I think it just went missing. No, it's here. It's here. No, that's my P.O. box address. Oh. And then on the other side, what is his personal shopping list? Shopping. Hard soap. Something chicken. Black pepper. Mexican rice. TP. Toilet paper. Butter. Frozen pizza. Beef to cook. Cranberry tea. Fruit tea. Truffle chips. Crackers. Dr. Pepper iced tea. No, pepper and iced tea. He's got pepper on here twice. Well, black pepper up the top. Interesting. I guess this was like his note so that when he went to the post office he had my P.O. box address right, and then forgot that this was included in the package with his shopping list. That's kind of funny. Anyways, Aaron, thank you so much because this is seriously the coolest. He sent a Hot Wheels S15 Street Tuner, which is epic. I might give this one to Oka-chan because that is very cool. I may even have a crack at trying to replicate one of his cars with that. Then starts the insanity of just amazing air fresheners. These are all strawberry. Like for Ichigo, for the S15, because Ichigo also means strawberry, but also means the number 15. I think I've explained that before, but these are all strawberry ones, so I'm sure Oka-chan's gonna love this. Now, if I remember correctly from his original letter, it said that some of this stuff was for Oka-chan as well as myself. And then there's a whole bunch of the cherry ones because I love American cherry and the guy hooked it up. Damn, I'm so excited. I might put this in the Skyline so tomorrow morning and for the driving tomorrow, my car smells like cherries. So anyways, Aaron, thank you so much, dude. I appreciate you so much for sending this stuff to me. Very, very cool. I seriously love this. I think Oka-chan's gonna love that too. All right, anyways, we are now on to the next one, which is super cool. Like super, super cool. So you guys know in America, someone dropped off this to Chris's shop for me. Did they drop it off or did they post it to me? I can't remember. They posted it to me. This one, because someone else did drop off, hang on, one sec. Dropped off this one, which is very, very cool. Same design, it looks like my S15 and everything, right? But This one is in the box still, like he resealed it, so I don't want to open it. So this one is out of the box and this one sits on my desk. But actually that's kind of cool. That's like a completely different backdrop to the one that was, is it? Yeah, it is. Completely different backdrop to the one Aaron sent me. Anyway, so yeah, this one's really cool and I don't want to open it, but this one sits on my desk. Now, someone made a custom one of my Skyline. It's very, very cool. Let me show it to you. This thing here. He actually like cut and chopped up Hot Wheels to make it work. There's a 34 front on it and the 33 rear. Very, very cool. And the best thing about it is this. Oh, there it is. Lights. So, I don't know, it's hard to see, but you can see the lights light up. It has like strobe effects and all that kind of stuff. The guy went like all out. So freaking cool. So there's like more brighter modes. And then I'm trying to get to the strobe one. There you go. Hard to see, but it strobes too. You can see that, guys? It's hard to see. There's a few different modes on it too, and it's got like this little like disc kind of battery that goes in the bottom of it. Oh, there you go. That's a bit better to see for the strobing effect one. How do I do this better? Like this? You can see. So yeah, very, very cool. And this guy, he wrote me a bit of a story, but his Instagram is @Sams_Bell. And his name's Sam as well. He's 20 years old and he's from Canada. Hey, Canadian, eh? That was a terrible crackety dad joke. Anyways, you've been my #1 go-to JDM car YouTuber channel since I discovered you about 1 year ago. I am currently saving for a 4-door. He wrote here in extra, like capital letters and in brackets, they do count. The meme is making it. A 4-door 34, hopefully to import within the next year, and your videos give me hope that I can someday own one, considering the amount of them you feature in your videos. Well, I prefer to feature two doors, but okay. Anyway, I attempted to replicate your 33.4 in a 1/64th scale. It was very challenging getting everything to fit properly, considering it's 2 different cars with different dimensions. I managed somehow, and the turnout isn't that bad. I agree, it's super awesome. He also talks about how he added more working lights, strobes, and the button and how to work it. And then he said, this is my favorite line, sorry, the wheels don't move. I accidentally glued them. They don't spin. Honestly, that's fine though, I don't care. That's totally okay in my opinion. But this is seriously the coolest thing ever. Yeah, anyways, he says that he made the headlight and the tail light fixtures out of scrap plastic. So cool. And then as for the wheels, yeah, he talks about how they're not like 100% accurate, but it's the closest he could. And yeah, he said he was really pumped, and he said that it's fairly rough because it's only his 2nd time ever trying to replicate a car. But dude, I think you knocked it out of the park. I love this thing. It's awesome. It goes on top of my Garrett Turbo that's sitting there as a constant reminder, Sam, you need to hurry up and start building the Skyline. But anyways, very, very cool. P.S. I was going to do your S15 when you added that insane, but then you added that insane livery. That's funny. He was going to do my S15, but when I added the livery, he was like, yeah, I'm out. Oh, thanks, dude. Really appreciate it, Sam Spell. Thank you so much. So yeah, I love it when you guys send me stuff. My PO box is always in the bottom of every video description if you want to send me stuff. But this, I think, knocks everything out of the park. I don't know who or how this got to me so fast, but whoever you are, thank you, because I was about to order one myself. There was no message or nothing. It was just an Amazon box sent to my PO. So thank you so much to whoever sent me this. And for anyone wondering, they're called an exhaust hanger removal pliers. So this is seriously the coolest thing, the coolest toy ever. Like, how many days has it been since I showed that vlog? Like 2-3 days? Insane how quick this got here. Look at this thing. This will change your life. Exhaust rubber goes here, and that just goes like that, and exhaust pops right off it. Seriously, will change your life. Go get yourself one. I'm pretty sure they're not that expensive either. The Snap-on truck does sell them though, so you'll probably get wrecked there for pricing, but don't sleep on this, guys. So here's where I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Obviously it's kind of short, and we did a bunch of mail stuff here at the end, but I'm sure you'll also understand I've been running around like crazy trying to make this last minute trip happen and pack everything and make sure we had enough tires. Initially I was going to be driving up there like I said in the previous videos, but I was only going there for like a meeting and to hang out with some friends and stuff. I wasn't planning to do any driving or get any seat time, so things kind of last minute changed with the holidays and stuff. Like, I completely forgot they were public holidays, so I was like, you know what, May wants to come, so let's do all of that. And yeah, I'm sure you understand, things are a bit hectic. I'm really excited and May's super excited. Tomorrow is gonna be a sick day. We're not sure if we're gonna stay the night up there yet in like a hotel, but we'll try to we'll feel it out once we're there and stuff like that. Like, we've got a lot of driving to do tomorrow morning, so we'll see how I feel. There's a really high chance we're gonna stay the night and spend another day there because it's a long drive and I don't want to drive home sleepy. We all know about that. OG subscribers know about Sleepy Sam behind the wheel. Anyways, with that, guys, smash that like button, write us a comment, get pumped for the content coming tomorrow. It's gonna be sick, and yeah, stay classy. Peace out. Jamata.